Hey guys, Mason with P&P Small Engines. People ask me every day, how do I find the correct chain for my GTA 26? Well, the first thing you're going to want to do is take off the scabbard and then lift the retractable chain guard. Now you will see some specs on the side of the bar, and as you can see, the bar says 4-inch quarter pitch in 043, which is the gauge, and 28, which is the drive count. These measurements are going to be key in finding the correct chain for your GTA 26. If you look here, on the chain box, it is going to be a 71 PM328 chain. The part number is 3670-005-0028. Those same measurements that were on the bar are going to be on the chain here, the quarter pitch, the 043, and the 28 drivers for the GTA 26 with the 4-inch bar. So if you need a chain for your GTA 26, check out the link below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. Thanks and have a great day.